This video covers installing the Pro Power Kit inside on your existing internal doorbell. Do this before installing your Ring Video Doorbell Pro on the front of your home. You'll need to go inside your home and install the Pro Power Kit on your existing internal doorbell. The Pro Power Kit ensures that enough power is sent to your Ring doorbell. If you were lucky enough to get one of the first Pro Power Kits, it'll look like this. It's exactly the same part and is completely harmless. It just doesn't have a pretty plastic enclosure. Make sure power to your doorbell is still switched off at the breaker. Then locate your internal doorbell and remove the cover. Next, attach the wire harness to the Pro Power Kit, making sure it snaps into place. Look for 2 wires on your doorbell kit. If there are more than 2, look for a wire labeled front and one labeled transformer. Loosen the screw on the front terminal and remove the wire. Then connect this wire to the wire on the Pro Power Kit using one of the supplied gray and orange wire clips. To open the wire clip, lift the orange levers all the way up. Yes, you will feel like you're going to break them. The connector is open when the orange lever is at a 90-degree angle. Insert the wire you just removed from your doorbell into the open hole in the connector. Then snap the orange lever down to secure the wire in the connector. Then secure the black wire from the Pro Power Kit in the other hole in the connector. Finally, take the other end of this wire and connect it to the front terminal on your doorbell and tighten the screw. Now repeat this process for the other wire on the Pro Power Kit and the transformer wire on your doorbell. The finished wiring configuration should look like this. The final step is to secure the Pro Power Kit. We've included some double-sided foam adhesive that you can use to secure the Pro Power Kit if necessary. The trick here is to put it anywhere it'll fit. If you have a mechanical doorbell, like this one, make sure not to put the kit anywhere where it'll get in the way of the moving parts inside your doorbell. If the Pro Power Kit doesn't fit inside your doorbell, you can also attach it to the wall next to your doorbell, like this. Finally, replace the cover on your doorbell. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Pro Power Kit. Now you'll need to head outside to install your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. If you need additional help, feel free to reach out to our support team or visit ring.com/help. With Ring, you're always home.